We're in my terminal looking at Plane, which is an open source project management app with nearly 46,000 stars on GitHub. I've never personally contributed to it, but I took a look at the file structure and saw that there's no CLAUDE.md or rules for agents. So let me show you why this repo might confuse Claude Code out of the box. If we take a look at the package.json, it says React Router for the whole stack. But if we grep the code base, we can actually see that there are 270 files importing from Next Navigation. So it turns out there's a compact shim that the team built probably during a migration. And the contributing engineers know about it, but Claude wouldn't necessarily. So I'm going to hop over to Claude and run CodeYam Memory. And it's going to read the Git history, find this migration commit, trace it to the shim, and then hopefully write a rule. We'll go ahead and let this run, and we'll come back and take a look at our dashboard. Great, so phase one complete. It's going to continue to process. But now we can take a look and see that Claude with CodeYam Memory has generated a rule. So based off of what it learned, it's scoped to every file in the web app. And Claude will now know, if we commit this rule, that the shim exists, which hooks it covers, and that next link has no equivalent, so it shouldn't reach for it. And we can see that we've generated a few other rules as well via CodeYam Memory. We have full control as well to edit these rules, change them, and approve them before we commit. So thanks to CodeYam Memory, Claude already knows its way around this repo a little bit better. And you can get CodeYam Memory by downloading the CodeYam CLI, which is language agnostic, free, local, and doesn't require any sign up.